In this video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 6 number characters. Along with every number character, a single spaced character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while with variable j less than 6, and at the end of nested while we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at the end of 6th iteration, j value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false and iteration is going to stop here. Now to print 5, 1 and then 2 in the first line, we are going to use if-else condition. So here let's try to print 1 first. 1, separate the number with single space character and outside this nested while use print method to begin from the new line py square.py. In this pattern, number 2 is gradually increasing line by line and 1 is gradually decreasing line by line. So how can we achieve that? For that, we are going to use if-else condition. Here, declare one more variable L with value 5 and a list which contains L. Now use if j value is available inside the list, then print 2 and separate the number with single space character, else print 1. Here j value we want 5 in the first line, then 4, 5, then 3, 4, 5, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for that we are going to decrease L value by 1 and append the value inside list. So L minus is equal to 1 and k dot append the L value. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.